Yeah.
How long? Hocus.
Yeah. Hey, we back with another one. Hey, let's say, demon swapped Chrysler 300 shut down legal pit. Alright, let's
Pop up on them with this ratchet. Niggas hate me cause I put the cake and they be living trash. I got bitches tryna fuck cause they see racks and all this nice. They don't call me Michael Jackson, put a glove on when I'm smashing. I got
No. Let it grow. Well, oh my.
Let me hear that shit one good time. Love to hear. That shit slow as hell.
Hell no, not with
Mama, that shit slow, gang.
No cap, no cap.
I seen slow ass 335. They don't look like that.
That shit slow, bro. I promise, all cosmetic.
Hell no.
My grandma put that pipe in.
Boy, look at this dude. I know you had to tell with all that black on.
How you been living, my boy?
Nigga, you got on them on. I'm already knowing.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit clean as fuck. Just look at this shit. This shit crazy. This shit deep as hell. So I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, it's gonna be a good meet. Look at this goofy motherfucker right here. The grass.
Hey, stomp that out.
It's still on the fire. Stomp that out. Yeah, her fat ass.
Damn, that's crazy.
She fat as hell, gang.
And you love that fat shit.
You better stop lying.
She wasn't fat back then. She wasn't fat back then.
I thought you was Big Dick K.
I am Big Dick Kane, but I ain't fucking no fat bitch.
Is this nigga serious?
Bro, what type of these Chryslers be wildin', bro? Like I ain't like where I'm from. Chryslers don't do all that, bro. Real shit. These Chryslers hit though. I ain't gonna lie. There's a 350Z. Oh my god, this shit, bro. I fuck with this shit heavy.
Typical Mustang.
Watch out for dude. SRT Nosky, man. We trying to have the security right now.
Hit that bitch, gang.
What y'all want to say, man? What y'all to say about this shit, bro?
Oh, we're going to do illegal things tonight, and I want you to be there.
Hey, Batman.
This is called The Exorcist.
Hey, Batman.
It's called The Exorcist.
Word. Exorcist?
With an X.
Were you Illuminati ass nigga? Before y'all die, man, I just want y'all to know, goddamn, keep supporting my nigga Dracy, bro. We're going up all 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020. We're going up all 2020, 2020, 2020, 2024.
Back at it again.
We had some car problems the first round.
My new rap.
Shit go hard.
Appreciate it, bro. These are brand new. I put that shit in first, and I just hit that bitch. It went straight to the grass. As they said, Blue Rock, I'm tripping.
Let's see.
It ain't crank up right. I heard it. Everybody's running around.
Shit, bro. Next week, bro. Oh my god, we got mobilized.
Listen, 2K on the motherfucking round, man.
You blew it up?
Get these last 2 spots so we can get this motherfucking competition going. I'm playing. I don't want this one to
This nigga done blew, he blew his rail out of. That shit crazy. That shit done up. He blew that shit up. That shit over. That shit sound bad as hell when he started that bitch up. That guy said call fire, his shit supposed to be a red out too.
What's good, Ski Game, man? So look, I obviously didn't do an outro, so I'm doing one right now. This video is a little small recap from last week's meet, you know what I'm saying? We got a crazy ass meet next week in Florida. So y'all stay tuned for that. And if y'all haven't, make sure you guys go tap into my other channel. That's where I'll be posting all my regular vlogs and shit, especially for next week since we're going out the city. Got some crazy vlogs coming for you guys. You know what I'm saying? It will be down in the description below. With that being said, make sure you guys like, comment if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.
Hold on. Hocus pocus, pop up on them with this ratchet.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.